Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add hometown on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Facebook app. Then hit right here at your profile picture to open up your profile, and now hit on edit profile. Then scroll down for a bit until you find the hometown option. You can just tap on that, and right here you can easily find this add hometown button. You can just tap on that, and then you can just start typing some location. Let it be Moscow, for example. I'm gonna select Moscow, Tennessee. In that simple way. After that, you are able to set privacy for the data. It can be public, friends, and only me. I'm gonna hit on friends and then hit on save. And now immediately it offers me to join Best Job Russia Moscow Facebook group. I can hit at join that group, and if you want you can even close it, and then you can hit on save. Then if you will open up your profile, you can see right here you actually need to tap at see your about info, and then just scroll down. And under the places lived, you can easily find your current city and your hometown. Now you know how it works, and you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Also, I recommend you to check out my Facebook tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.